Nature has created some truly breathtaking masterpieces, and today we're counting down the 5 most beautiful parrot species on Earth. These living jewels showcase colors so vibrant they seem almost impossible to believe. Starting at number 5, the rainbow lorikeet from Australia. With its electric blue head, emerald green wings and sunset orange chest, this medium-sized parrot looks like a tropical sunset come to life. Number 4 takes us to South America, where the blue and yellow macaw reigns supreme. This magnificent giant displays a perfect contrast of cobalt blue wings against a golden yellow body, creating one of nature's most striking color combinations. At number 3, we have the eclectus parrot from Indonesia and Australia. What makes this species extraordinary is its extreme sexual dimorphism. Males are brilliant emerald green, while females are vibrant red and purple, so different they were once thought to be separate species. Number 2 brings us the scarlet macaw, the crown jewel of Central and South American rainforests. Its brilliant red body, blue and yellow wing feathers, and impressive size make it an unforgettable sight in the wild. And our number 1 most beautiful parrot is the hyacinth macaw from Brazil. This gentle giant, with its stunning cobalt blue plumage and bright yellow eye patches, is not only the largest flying parrot, but also one of the most magnificent birds on our planet. These incredible species remind us why we must protect their natural habitats for future generations to witness their beauty.